welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what you find here and that it's helpful in your journey to better health. Today I'm going to be making a taco pie. It's a new recipe for me. I found it on Joan's Pointed Plate, both her website and her YouTube channel, and I decided that it had to be something that our family tried. So if that's something that's interesting to you and you're looking for a decent meal that's really filling with not so many points, stay tuned. Okay, for this taco pie, you're going to need self-rising flour, some fat-free cheddar cheese. I have a pound of ground chicken, the taco seasoning of your choice. I am using Tastefully Simple Magic Chicken Taco Seasoning Blend. It is wonderful. You need some taco sauce, and because my family has wimpy little tongues, ours is mild. You're also going to need the fat-free, sugar-free, plain yogurt of your choice. And I'll show you how it all goes together. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to take your 1 pound of ground chicken and put it in a hot pan. And because I grind my own chicken, there's no fat in it. So I did put a teaspoon of olive oil in the pan. Ingredient dough. I made it while my chicken was cooking, and now I'm going to roll it out to fit into this pie plate. You will want to spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray as well. When you're rolling out dough, whether it be regular pie crust or any kind of dough, you want to make sure that it's a little bit bigger than your pan, most of it, so that you can get a good crimp on the edges. My mother used to be able to do this with a perfect circle, and I still don't know how she did that, but that's okay. It all tastes good. Now, since regular pie crust, you wouldn't need to put in a non-stick cooking spray because of the fat content, but because this has no fat in it, then you do need to provide that, because otherwise you're going to have one stuck pie, and you do not want a stuck pie. Now, since this has a rising agent in it, you're going to want to prick the bottom of your pie crust with a fork. It'll help keep it from bubbling up too much. You want to do the sides as well. Okay, that should do it. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes until it's lightly browned. I'll be right back. While that is baking, I've measured out 4 ounces of fat-free cheddar cheese. Okay, 4 ounces of that. Then you need a 1/2 cup of, I chose to use yogurt for this, but you can use fat-free sour cream, or a 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup. And you need a 1/4 cup of taco sauce, which I'm gonna eyeball. Need to mix those together. And this is going to be the topping on your pizza or your pie. Okay, we'll set that aside. All right, now when you pull this out, you want to make sure that it is browned around the edges, and that when you look at the bottom, it's also browned. Otherwise, you're going to have a soggy crust, and you do not want a soggy crust. So the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to just put all of your meat in there. Spread that around evenly. Man, you guys, if you could smell this, you'd be so darn happy. Then you're going to sprinkle your cheese over the top of that. And you're going to bake that for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, that is now out of the oven, and look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? Now the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to spread your sour cream or Greek yogurt and taco sauce mixture over the top of your pie. Thank you so much for joining me on this Cook With Me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you take this recipe into your own cookbook and make it for your family. I'm certain that they will love it just as much as my family did. And I hope that all of my videos are a help to you along your journey to better health. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.